Welcome to our channel, your trusted guide for honest and in-depth product reviews. Here, we test and analyze the latest gadgets, tools, and everyday essentials to help you make informed decisions. Expect clear insights, pros and cons, and expert opinions tailored to your needs. Subscribe now and join us on the journey to smarter shopping. Best bread makers for home. Number 1. Zojirushi Breadmaker. Designed for health-conscious bakers, this versatile bread maker offers an array of settings to cater to a variety of dietary needs, including multigrain, whole wheat, rapid whole wheat, gluten-free, salt-free, sugar-free, and vegan options. Its innovative design includes double kneading blades that work efficiently to produce a smoother, more elastic dough, while dual heaters located in both the bottom and lid ensure your bread bakes evenly and achieves a beautifully browned crust every time. For those in a hurry, the rapid courses enable you to bake a fresh loaf of white or whole wheat bread in just 2 hours and 25 minutes without compromising on quality or taste. A large, user-friendly LCD display, paired with a convenient key code on the lid, simplifies the course selection process, making it easy to choose the perfect setting for any recipe. Compact yet powerful, this bread maker operates at 120 volts and 700 watts, with a practical 39-inch cord length that offers flexibility for kitchen placement. Whether you're looking to bake a healthy loaf or accommodate special dietary requirements, this appliance combines convenience, versatility, and exceptional results. Number 2. KBS Stainless. Experience the perfect blend of innovation and versatility with this advanced bread maker, designed to deliver exceptional results every time. Equipped with 710W high-power infrared dual heaters, it offers true 360 degrees surround convection, ensuring even baking and browning with a crispy crust and fluffy interior. A unique ceramic pan, crafted through a high-heat plasma fusion process, provides a long-lasting, non-stick surface free of PTFE, PFOA, and lead, promoting healthier baking. With 17 customizable programs, including gluten-free, French, whole wheat, sourdough, and even pizza dough and yogurt, this appliance goes beyond bread making. The automatic fruit and nut dispenser releases ingredients at the optimal time, while 3 loaf sizes and adjustable crust colors add further flexibility. Enjoy convenient features such as a 15-hour delay timer, 1-hour keep warm function, and intuitive touch panel control. An array of accessories, including 2 paddles, a heat-resistant mitt, and measuring tools, enhance the baking experience. Its compact, stainless steel design with a tempered glass cover adds a touch of elegance, complemented by anti-slip feet for stability. Certified by EEL and FCC, this bread maker also includes 3 years of after-sales support and lifetime technical assistance for peace of mind. Number 3. KBS Programmable. Bring healthier, tastier bread to your kitchen with this versatile and efficient bread maker, perfect for those who appreciate the art of homemade baking. Equipped with 17 customized programs, including options for French bread, whole wheat, gluten-free, pizza dough, and more, it offers unparalleled versatility, while the quick bake setting delivers fresh loaves in under 1.5 hours. The unique, non-stick ceramic bread pan ensures evenly baked, chemical-free bread and is easy to clean. Powered by a quiet yet powerful 710W motor, the machine produces soft, elastic dough while minimizing noise to under 40 dB, ensuring peaceful operation. The integrated fruit and nut dispenser automatically adds ingredients at the perfect time, while the 15-hour delay timer and 1-hour automatic keep warm function let you enjoy freshly baked bread anytime. With a sleek stainless steel exterior, intuitive digital touch controls, and a large viewing window, this bread maker combines modern design with user-friendly functionality. Accessories include a ceramic pan, paddles, kitchen glove, measuring tools, and a recipe book, ensuring a superior baking experience. Certified by EEL and backed by 2 years of after-sales support, this appliance offers both reliability and style for any kitchen. Number 4. Cuisinart Customizable. Elevate your home baking experience with a compact and stylish bread maker that combines innovation with user-friendly design. This appliance is crafted to deliver superior crust, color, and texture, thanks to advanced technology that ensures consistent results every time. With 12 pre-programmed menu options, it effortlessly handles a variety of recipes, from classic loaves to specialty breads, making it perfect for both beginners and seasoned bakers. The 3 crust shade settings, light, medium, or dark, allow for personalized browning preferences, while its generous capacity of up to 2 pounds ensures there's enough fresh bread for the whole family. Its vertical baking pan is thoughtfully designed to fit comfortably on any countertop, making it ideal for compact kitchens. For added convenience, the removable kneading paddle and bread pan simplify the cleanup process. A viewing window in the lid lets you monitor the progress of your bread without lifting the cover, and an interior light allows you to check the baking status with ease. Whether you're experimenting with new recipes or baking family favorites, this bread maker delivers exceptional performance with every loaf. Number 5. KITCHENARM Gluten. Transform your kitchen into a bakery with this innovative bread machine designed to deliver effortless, delicious homemade bread. Featuring 29 automatic programs, including 21 bread menus such as basic white, French, whole wheat, rye, keto, gluten-free, and sourdough, along with 7 non-bread options like cake, jam, yogurt, and dough. This appliance caters to both beginners and pros. The fully customizable cycle-level programming, menu number 29, empowers you to create and adapt recipes to your preference, whether it's adjusting knead, rise, or bake times for perfect results. With one press operation, the machine saves your preferred settings, so you only need to load ingredients and press start. Choose from 3 loaf sizes, 1, 1.5, or 2 pounds, 3 crust colors, and enjoy convenience features like a 15-hour delay timer, 1-hour keep warm, and power interruption recovery. Designed for health-conscious bakers, it efficiently handles both high-gluten and less-gluten flours, and even fresh ingredients like onions or bananas. A large digital display, non-stick bread pan, and Eat Yell certification for North America ensure quality and safety. Backed by a 2-year warranty and lifetime customer service, this bread maker is your ultimate kitchen companion. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.